Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to control status of LED in Raspberry Pi based on server availability. In the previous video we have seen how to connect to a wireless network from Raspberry Pi picow and monitor the particular server. So we are monitoring the Apache 2 web service which is running in this particular machine, and this is printing based on the server availability. Here now service is stopped. I will start the service. Here there is a typo. I'll save the code and run it. It is trying to connect to the SSID and it is saying server is up. If we turn off the web server, it will say server is down. Now we'll try to control the LED based on the server status. Let me stop this. Right? So we'll try to control the inbuilt LED, and I have already connected another LED to GPIO15. In the board it will be 20, but that is GP15 port. LED is positive, I connected here, and negative I connected to the ground in port number 3. And I have a resistor between this port and positive of LED because we need to control the current. Now let us start writing the code. Either we can put the LED control as a function here, or we can put this into a separate. I'll stop this and I'll create a directory lib module. We'll create a module here. New file. I will call this LED control.py. But this I'll press Ctrl S, 𝗶𝘂𝑗 device, and I'll save this into lib. Click OK. So here first we need to import from machine import pin, and then first we will try to control the board LED. So I will call this B LED equal to pin of, previously it was port 25, now it is LED, and pin dot out. Then I'll create two functions here, right? And we'll call this particular function in the main file turn on and B underscore LED dot on. Then another function so LED dot off. Now if you want to test it from here, while true, turn on and import U time then turn off. Or we'll increase the time here. I'll save this. We can directly run this particular script and test it. Now let us so now here LED is turning on and turning off. Now I'll stop this and delete all this. We just need to use only this particular function. In addition to onboard LED, I will use even the GPIO15 LED light which I connected. So I will call this LED equal to pin, it is GPIO15, so I'll give 15 comma same pin dot out. Then here I can copy and paste it, LED dot on, and so now this will run parallelly. LED dot now to control this, in the main file we need to import it from LED control import turn on comma turn off, and here if server is reachable we will run turn on, and if it is not reachable turn off. I'll save this and run the script. It is trying to connect to the SSID. I think there is a typo here in the LED control. Yeah. Here I'll press Ctrl D for a soft reboot. I'll press Ctrl D. You can see here now web server is down, and let me just start the service. Now lights are turned on. Now if I down this, lights will get off. I hope this video was helpful for you to understand how to control the status of an LED based on server availability. In the next video, we'll see how to handle the wireless connection failure scenarios. For example, if wireless is not reachable, we will do a retry. If not authenticated, we will wait for some time and retry connecting.